There's something about being back at Dirt Road, fishing a new stream, that really gets my blood going. What I expected to be a tough stream ended up churning out fish after fish. With your typical stocked hatchery fish, alongside some of those treasured wild trout that I've grown to love. It was an action-packed day on the water, so I hope you guys enjoy this. There's a fish. Nice rainbow. Man, hard fighter. All right, get over here. There we go. First fish. All right, let's get this guy back in. He's anxious. All right, off he goes. No need to show you another stocked bow. I've caught a bunch, or caught a few in the last video. But I didn't even get to do an entry yet on this stream. This is my second stream of the day. It is a stock stream, as you can tell with that rainbow, but it is supposed to have some wild trout. From what I read, it's not a great population. I'm not sure if it's brooks or browns. I would probably guess a little bit of both, maybe. But from what I hear, the wild trout are few and far between, hard to find. But that's my goal. I'm gonna try to find some. I'm right here at the parking spot, so I assumed these first couple runs will be filled with some stockies. But it's been a couple weeks since they stocked, so hopefully they've been, let go for a little bit so I can catch them. Ooh, I don't know if you guys could see that on the GoPro or not, but I pulled up and the fish kind of came out for it. See if I can get him to bite. Ah, I missed it. See if we can get that fish to bite again. Ah, he whiffed at it. I don't know what he did. He started running like he had it, so I thought he was on. He's just shaking around. I don't know if he might have had it at some point. There he is. Ah, he bit it. Had it hanging there and he bit it. Whoa. I don't know if you saw that or not. I hope you did, but that fish I think came out of the water for that mop fly. I'm pretty sure it was already in there with the air when he grabbed it. It's a brookie. I don't know, I was starting to turn away because I was going to go for my next cast. I don't know if you saw it on the camera, but that was insane. It's a solid brook trout too. Definitely a native. Wild fish. Man, good size to him. He goes. I was bringing it around and I was coming for my next roll cast there, and I'm almost positive he came out of the water for that mop fly. That's so cool. There's a fish. This might be a stocky. Yeah, it's rainbow. Rainbow took the rainbow warrior. There we go. Alrighty, let's get this guy back in here. There we go. He's had a run-in with a heron, it looks like. Still around. Ah, that was a rainbow. I knew that looked too juicy to not have a fish. I think there's another one. There we go. Another bow. I haven't seen any stocked browns yet. I don't know if they do or not. I really didn't check. Ooh, missed him. Where'd he go? Oh man, that was a nice fail. Alright, get in there. There we go. There he is. Wow, I really messed up that cast, but I got a fish. Oh man, that's too good. Alright, there he is. Another bow. Alright, there we are, another rainbow. It's that awful cast. I kind of like slipped when I casted, but he was willing anyways. There we go. Well, I think that's a nice brookie, maybe a brown. Yeah, it's brown. It's a decent one too. I think he's wild. There we go. First wild brown. All right, there we go. Pretty brown. See you, buddy. Well, that's a good way to end my portion of the day. I'm headed up back to the car. I'm gonna eat some lunch and then hit a different section of this stream. There we go. Might have a wild brown here, it looks like. Yep. There he is. All right, let's get this little guy back in. Really prominent spot behind the eye there. Really cool. Pretty fish. Switched up to a hare's ear on the bottom fly, so that's what he took. Haven't had a whole lot of luck at this new section so far. Fished some good stuff. Only missed, I think, one fish. It looked like a stock rainbow, but that's all right. That gets my hope back up here. Stream's a little bit smaller, as you can probably tell, but still some good stuff. should be able to find some fish at some point. Some more stocked fish. I mean, not that that's the goal. There we go. Rainbow, maybe? It's not a terrible fish. Yeah, it's a rainbow. First stocky of this section. Only the second fish. Got him. I hope I'm not the only one that struggles this much with rainbows, especially stocked rainbows. They're just awful to handle. My God. Just let me pick you up. There you are. Okay. There he is. Like I said, I hope I'm not the only one that deals with that with rainbows. They're just insanely slippery, I feel like, and just flop around. Browns are a lot easier. So are brooks, I think. There we go. Rainbow. Nice. We took the mott fly. Haven't had many mott fly takers today. All right. One of the more cleaner looking fish. Not a whole lot of marks on them, at least, as far as hatchery fish go. Feels good to get one in. This section definitely not quite as action-packed as the first. Nice run. Could be another fish in there. Yep. Smaller one. This might be a wild fish. Yeah, I think it is. It's brown. It's really not that small. I mean, it's a nice brown. There we go. That turned around quick. No bites for 45 minutes and 2 fish and 2 cats. All right, wild brown. Gorgeous fish. There's a fish. I knew there had to be a fish in there. Got a good pool. Looks like I might have a wild brown. Yeah, he's not a bad one either. Yes, let's go. Man, guys, I'm not sure what changed. Missed a couple bites in between the last fish and this one, and it just seems to be turning on. Pretty wild brown. He goes. But yeah, like I still am gonna finish up here soon, I think, but hard to leave when you got bites coming. All right, this is it, last run. Yes. I think we got a brookie on. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Well, guys, this fish is gonna be it for the day, I believe. And what a better way to end. No better way to end, I should say. With a beautiful brook trout. Hope you guys enjoyed this one.